Do you think you won't never be good at the piano ever? You won't be able to play what you want? Let's talk about that. Hi, I'm Frank and I'm here to help you to become a successful musician. In this video, I want to talk to you about something that I see too often. You think that you won't be able to be a good musician, to be a good piano player. You are watching these videos maybe on other YouTube channels of very good players and you say, oh wow, no way, I can't become that good. It's not me. Stop. Why? Why couldn't you become that good? Why? Why is it? Are you so different? No. You can't do that. Of course, you will have to work on that. It won't come like that overnight. The people you see playing that well, they spend years of practice, of dedicated work. That's one of the main message I'm sending to you on this channel is practice with intention, with a purpose. And it's much more efficient and you will gain so much time by doing this. You see, you have learned so many things in your life. So many things. As a baby, you have learned how to walk. It's not easy to walk. It's not easy at all. You can see when you look at babies, they fall all the time. But, well, they stand up. They manage to do it after some time. It's hard, but it's okay. Eventually, they will walk. You have learned so many things. You have learned how to read, how to write. Playing the piano is not that difficult. It's just something you need to work on to be good. That's it. I've made a video recently about the talent. This famous talent that you should have, I don't know, some genes that will make you a good musician. That's bullshit. It doesn't exist. You really can do that. No question, no doubts. You managed to learn so many things in your life. How come it would be that now, on the piano, or any instrument by the way, you won't be able to do that? No, there's no way. You have a brain, you have hands, you have ears. You can do that. You have everything you need. And I will be there to help you. You're not alone. So that's my message for today. You can really do that. You can become as good as you want. You just practice, just choose your goal, what is your purpose, and work on that. Work on that, be consistent, and you will get there. There's no way, no other way. No other way. You'll be a good musician if you wish to, if you put the work, you'll be good. I will leave you with that and I will see you in the next video.